Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know where we at? We're at the old ice plant, which is the St. Augustine Distillery, baby. Let's see what they got cooking in here, huh? Let's get it. Well, let's see what we're working with.
Wristbands on you guys. And I just need one of you to sign in on an iPad right over there. Are you guys here for self-guided tour? Right? And put wristbands on you. And I just need one of you to sign in on an iPad.
Right, let's get this.
Well, hello there. Welcome.
How you doing today?
All right, how you doing?
Everything's good.
Well,
Everything's
we're
good.
gonna get the afternoon going with the Florida Mule, made from our vodka, which is 80 proof, and we distill the vodka from Florida sugarcane. Pairing the vodka with this all-natural mule mix. In the mule mix is lime juice, fresh ginger, cane sugar, cinnamon, and then a little bit of cayenne pepper. Cheers. On a hot day, it's a very
I like that. Very refreshing.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you.
It'll be a heavy guy, but you can do it. Yeah.
Okay, I think we're gonna have to make a left here.
Our mash is rich in sugar, which becomes food for the
It's much without a month.
licorice fruit.
So you're like me, you just go for looks, because if we did wear it look.
Right.
I like that first one better.
Yeah, say that again for me.
It's made with 4 parts of our Florida straight bourbon and 1 part of our old fashioned mix.
In the old fashioned, that's what it's called.
Yes, and this has everything in it already, the bitters, sugar.
So let's try this old fashioned right quick. Oh yeah, that one got a bite. Yeah, I like that.